Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I'm reaching out to the student body. Okay, students, thank you for joining me on my page again. So let's get into it. I want to talk to you about the final exam. Yes, it is that time for few classes. Now, I am going to send this out to all the classes. It's only geared to two classes, 105 and 238. But I'm going to send it out to everybody because I want you guys to see what you have to get ready for when you get ready to go take your final exam. Now, understand this. Each and every class will receive their own video log. So you don't have to worry. You will get your own personalized video log for your prep for your final exam. But for 105, it's their turn. They up on deck to go take their final exam. Okay, let's get into it. When I talk to you, I want you to understand these are the things you should be ready to do for your final exam. Number one, make sure that you cover everything, that you got everything done. Please have it done. Now, as you can see, I'm in the student version because I want to make sure that you guys see exactly what I have on my screen and you have on your screen. So when you go to quizzes and exam, your final exam will be in D2L. So you'll click on quizzes and exams, okay? And you're going to notice something right here that says assessment. Now, you can't even take the final exam until you do an assessment. Our department is doing assessment on this particular class, 105. Now, 238, you don't have to worry about it, but 105, yes, we're doing an assessment. Once you complete the assessment, then the final exam will be popped up so you can see it. It'll automatically appear, okay? So that's the final exam. You know where it's at. You also have a discussion question that you have to do. Make sure that you do your discussion questions on time. Try to get it out the way Monday. You don't have to do anything else. Only thing that's going to happen is that you're going to have this survey link in there. You don't have to respond to no other students, but make sure you get that question or that survey out the way. Will help me see how the class is doing. Remember, the survey and the assessment are two different things. The assessment you have to do before you take the final exam. The survey, you doing your discussion questions. So let's get back here. So these are the things that you have to do when you go sit for your final. Number one, get there early, people. Try your best to get there early because you want to be relaxed. You don't want to be rushing yourself, and you want to do your very best on your final exam. Number two, make sure that you review the syllabus to get all the work in that I need. For 105, you got an assessment here, and then you're going to notice that within here, the final exam will pop up. So make sure that you handle your business on that. I'm going to switch back to the other part, the professor's part, so you can see that the final exam is already in there, ready to go. You see that right there? And that's how it will be with all classes. Now, for 105, your final exam is in D2L. Okay? So these are the things I just want to make sure you understand before you go take your test next week. One, let's go over it again. One, get to the testing center early. And I'm saying that first because some people walk right in and they late. Don't be late, people, because there's going to be a lot of people taking their final exam at this time. And if you miss your time, they may not let you take it. Two, review your syllabus. Always check your syllabus. But for this particular week, for those of you who taking your final exam, review that syllabus. Three, do your discussion question Monday. Try to get that discussion question out of the way so you don't have to think about it. You know that the discussion question is going to have a survey in there. Get it out the way. Okay. 4, get all of your work in on or before the last day of class. So check that syllabus and see when the last day of class is. Get all your work in on or before that day. And for the last thing, and this will be it, make sure if you have any drama, any problem, contact me. You know my office hours, Monday to Thursday. Reach out to me so I can help you get through this part here, because finals week is always one of those things. So don't tell me after the fact, hey professor, I wish I could have got in contact with you. No, the moment you have an issue, Monday to Thursday, you know what time, I'm in Zoom. Get there, reach out to me. Okay, with that being said, that's it. I just wanted to send this out so you can quickly have a prep before you go sit for that final. Have a nice day. This is Professor Sistrom.